Hey guys, welcome to Frozen Freebies. We wanted to put together a quick little video guide for those members who have no previous botting experience. So I'm going to cover everything from point A to point Z and get the bot up and running. And it shouldn't take too long either. Everything is pretty intuitive. It's pretty simple. We have staff members always on standby, ready to help and answer any questions that you might have. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Hop over to the computer. All right, so here we are on my desktop, looking at the Frozen Freebies Discord channel. So first thing we're gonna do is get the download. So we will go to the bot download text channel. So just scroll to the bottom of this text channel and you will find whatever the most current version is. So we're just gonna click on that. Now it takes us to a GitHub page. So all you need to do, exe is for Windows, DMG is for Apple. That's all you need to know. Whichever one you're on, just click it. All you gotta do, and then it begins to download. And for me, it's going to my desktop. While we're waiting for that download, we can go back to the Discord channel. Right below the bot download channel, we can go to dashboard and then just click on user dashboard. And right below software, we have the Frozen Freebies key. So just real quick, a couple things about the key. You need that to run the bot. You cannot just share this bot with anyone and everyone and they will have access to it. It is linked to your key. So for me personally, I have a MacBook Pro and I have a Windows PC and I run it on both. If I want to run it on both, I will have to reset my key every time. Okay, so right now it's the first time of us setting it up. So all we have to do is copy the key. If we want to set this up again on another computer, come back here, reset the key, copy the key, and now we can go to the bot since we've copied our key. Double click that, more info, run anyways. Okay, so paste your key, click the arrow. All right, now we're in 2.0. So first thing that we want to do is add an Amazon account. So go to accounts, click create. And first we're going to create a group name. I'm just going to call it main. And now in the box below that is where you actually enter your account info. It shows you an example of the format here. So keep that in mind when you're setting it up. So I'm not going to show you my password. Okay, so we saved my account. Now we got to talk about proxies. So real quick, to those who've never bought it before. So the goal of the proxy is to keep our accounts from getting soft banned or banned from Amazon. Because without proxies, it's going to clearly look like someone is botting their website. So that is why we want proxies. Now getting proxies, if you go back to the Frozen Freebies Discord, go to the discounts text channel. And so this is going to be where you want to buy your proxies. It's going to be from any of the servers, any of the partners that we have within the discounts. You can also go up to the community category and go to successful setups. And this is going to show you other proxies that have done well for people. With the Frozen Freebies bot, you're probably going to be running this for a long time. This is a bot that is ran throughout the day, right? Because other times when people use proxies, it's for like a sneaker release that is only happening for an hour at a time. You can just hit that really hard. So with this bot, we're running it all day, every day. You want as much data as possible. So go with something that has no data cap. Now that you have those proxies, and the box below it shows another example of the formatting. So make sure that you're matching that when you're inputting your proxies. And real quick, one cool feature that's new in 2.0 with the proxies. So once you've created your proxy group, you can click on it. And I have 25 proxies, which is a little bit overkill if I'm running like 3 accounts. But if I ever have any issues, I can actually go into here and I can go to the proxy tester and I can just click play. And now I can test the status of each individual proxy, which is super nice. If something does go wrong, I can go in here and I can see which proxy is bad. Especially if you have them in just a bunch. I see this proxy isn't bringing anything back. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. So that's a really helpful feature with the proxies. Okay, so now for my main account, I'm going to click edit. All right, so now we can set up some parameters for our bot. Discount, I don't want to spend any money. So I'm doing 100% discount. Max price, I'm leaving it at 1 cent. Blacklist words. So I don't want a necklace. I don't want a ring. Other reasons why you'd want to do this, the discount. If you're running it at a low percent discount, so maybe you have it at 75% discount and a max price of $10. When you're running the bot with those settings, it's very likely that you will every day get the same item that restocks every day. And then also sometimes you'll get those rare hits of a really great item that is genuinely discounted. So to avoid getting those items that restock every single day that you don't want, you can add that to the blacklist keywords. So that's one example of why this would be helpful. And another one is like, I don't want a necklace, ring, or jewelry. And I've gotten some of those things before. Extra SKUs. This is if you want to be running the bot for something specifically, for an actual item, for a PS5. So if you have the SKU to that or the offer ID, you can just input it here and you will now be running the bot also for specific items once they restock. So max non-FBA checkouts. This is referring to checkouts that are made that are not fulfilled by Amazon. We suggest keeping this between 3 and 5. The reasons for that, when you place an order with a third party on Amazon, if they don't ship your item, that hurts your account. So it puts your account at risk of being soft banned. So to avoid that, again, 3 to 5. And also this is more relevant to members who are running a low % discount. Okay, now proxy group, I'm going to click on main and then mode velocity. And then we also have the alternate mode. So with Amazon, if you have Amazon Prime on your main account, you can set up teen accounts, and those teen accounts can also be linked to frozen freebies. So now you're essentially multiplying all of the checkouts that you get for free. However, when it's a teen account, you have to be ran on alternate. You can't run that on velocity. Not that it's that important. You'll probably get the same amount of checkouts either way. I'm choosing velocity on my main account. So I'm just going to click save, and now I'm going to click login. Okay, so now we have cookies set up. And now we will run tasks waiting for ping, and we're good to go. So now whenever you get a checkout, it will populate in the right-hand corner here with the total saved, how many checkouts you've gotten. Okay, so a couple other things. We can set a webhook. So enter your success Discord webhook. All right, so let's go back to Discord. So go to a text channel in your server that you'd like to set the webhook with. Go to edit channel, go to integrations, create webhook. I'm going to name it Frozen Freebies. Save, copy webhook. Now we can minimize this. Go back to Frozen Freebies, set webhook, paste the success webhook there. Do you want your private webhook to show the Amazon account that is being used? Enabled? I don't need that. And keep this anonymous. Click save. And now whenever you get a checkout, it will populate here. And it will also ping this Discord channel. See, we got a test webhook already. The air webhook, this is super helpful to me personally because I run this bot on a server, a computer that I'm not often at, that I just leave running. There's not even a computer monitor hooked up to it. So I can set this air webhook to a Discord channel so that anytime I run into an error with the bot, I will actually get a ping from Discord instead of just having to find out randomly whenever I just happen to look at my server again. And now to close out the video, I'm just going to mention if you have any questions, if you ever need help, if you have any issues, head to the Discord. We have the support and feedback category. You can go ahead and just open a ticket here, whether it's general inquiries, billing, or if it's an error with the bot, and someone will get back to you as quickly as possible. You can DM any of the staff members on the sidebar here. We are always happy to help, and we want this to be as easy and smooth of an experience as possible for all our members. So I'm going to end it there. Thank you guys so much for joining the server. We are happy to have you. We hope you enjoy your stay. Let's get saving. Peace.